Hi everybody. A few months ago, I made a little DIY network monitor that you can keep on your screen, and it will check if you've got an IP address on your home network and whether it's up or down. Lots of people commented, said they really liked it, but they would like it so that they could do multiple IP addresses and even a website address. So I've gone ahead and modified the code. And so just wanted to show you version 2 of the network monitor. So I already saved a copy of the bat file which runs the network monitor on my desktop. So if I just go ahead and launch that to show you how it works. So it opens up a command line interface, and here you can type in multiple IP addresses and website addresses. So let's go ahead and type a few examples in. That's my router. That's a smart TV, and then we'll put a website address in as well. Just press enter, and you can see there's some instructions on the screen. You press any key to continue and Control C to stop at any time, and then just press enter. And then you can see it starts to scroll through the IP addresses and the website address. If all is well, the screen will remain green, and you can see alongside each of the IP addresses and websites, it will say if it's up or down. Now, if I go and turn off the smart TV, which is 192.168.1.30 on my network, after a couple of loops, that will detect that it's down, and then it will notify you that it can no longer reach that IP address. So there you go, 192.168.1.30 is down, and it's showing it as offline. And it will continue every 5 seconds to show that it's offline. So if I now turn on that device, give it a couple of loops around the checksums, and there you go, it's back online. Now, I think this is a great little tool that you can just run in the top of your screen while you're monitoring different devices on your network or website addresses. So let's just close that out, and I'll show you how to make one of these for yourselves. It just takes a few seconds. You'll need Notepad editor, so make sure you've got that. If not, download it. I'll leave a link in the description. Once you've opened the Notepad, you'll need this code. It's a fairly short piece of code, and I'll leave a link in the video description of where you can download that code. I'll put that on my blog. The first section is configuration, and here you can set the colors of the screen for when devices are online and offline, and then you can also set here how many seconds you want to wait for it to do another check, and then the rest is simple ping commands that goes off and checks for the status of that IP address or website. Once you've pasted the code, just do File and then Save As. Give it a name and a location, but you want to make sure it's a .bat file and it's a .txt format. So go ahead and save that, and then it should be all ready to run. I've just put mine on the desktop. So if I just double click to launch that again, it just opens up the command line window, and then you can enter the IP addresses and website addresses. You can enter as many as you like. And just press enter, and it'll go off and start checking. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and maybe even hit that notification bell so we see each other in the next video. Take care, everybody.